Hey there, home cooks. Ever stare into your fridge wondering what to cook with what you have? Well, imagine if ChatGPT could help you out. Here's how it works. Snap a picture of your fridge's contents, and ChatGPT will do the rest. Using image recognition tools, it identifies every ingredient in the photo, like vegetables, meats, sauces, and dairy products. First, it creates an ingredient list. Say your fridge has eggs, a half bag of spinach, a bell pepper, some shredded cheese, a small jar of salsa, and a carton of milk. ChatGPT recognizes these items and lists them out. Next, it generates recipes based on what's available. For our example, ChatGPT might suggest a vegetable omelette with cheese or an egg and veggie breakfast burrito. Here's a quick omelette recipe it might generate. Ingredients: 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, 1/4 cup chopped spinach, 1/4 bell pepper, diced, 1/4 cup shredded cheese, 1 TBSP salsa, optional as topping. Instructions: in a bowl, whisk together the eggs and milk. Add spinach and bell pepper to the egg mixture. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat and pour in the egg mixture. Cook for 3-4 minutes, occasionally lifting the edges with a spatula to let uncooked egg flow to the sides. Sprinkle cheese on top and cook until the cheese melts. Serve with salsa on the side. And if you're missing an ingredient, no worries. ChatGPT can suggest substitutes like using a different veggie or seasoning. This way, ChatGPT helps you whip up delicious meals with whatever's in your fridge, making meal planning easier and more personalized. Happy cooking!